Elevate, elevate, elevate with Vern.
Heighten, rise, voice, promote, upgrade,
Elevate,
lift, transcend, uplift, jump,
elevate,
raise, glorify, pedestal, honor.
elevate.
We gon' elevate and motivate, inspired to be great. Yesterday is yesterday, today is a new day. So if each one can teach one, we can all make a way.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Elevate with Vern. So this is package number 3 of March Madness unboxings. As you see, I have all of these gifts here. But this person here, this package that I'm going to open, holds a very special place in my heart. And she really made a special part of my life happen. And I'm very thankful for her. So a little backstory is I met my first and only bloodline cousin at the time last year in June of 2023, where we went on the YouTube cruise. I'll put some pictures in here, and it was amazing. First of all, the cruise itself was awesome. Thank you, Me and I, and Rod and Sharon and Mike and all the great people that were on the cruise with us. But I met my only bloodline cousin because Me and I actually knew my cousin Adrian in person. And this is how the internet can work positively for you. So I met Me and I through Trap Vision, who I met through Lisa Carter, and then Joy. But also Me and I, as I got to know them, I was getting to know my cousin in real life and happened to be telling him, and my cousin was like, oh, I know Me and I was, she was telling them, Vern is my cousin, and they were like, yeah, Vern's everybody's cousin, auntie, mama, sister, friend, right? And she was like, no, that's my, and they were like, what? That's your only bloodline cousin. So there's a video. I'm going to try to insert that here or in the description of this live. You can go and watch that video. And so Me and I also, they have a special place in my heart too. But this is not from Me and I. I'm going to get to this in a minute. So when we go on the cruise and I go to meet my only bloodline cousin, Adrian, I love you so much. I surprised her, and we met at the meet and greet, and I surprised her in Miami, but we went on the cruise to Bahamas and Half Moon Cay. And just knowing that I got to meet an only bloodline cousin, and this person was a special, special part of it. Her name is Shonda of Loveable Creations. She made me a cup, which I always have in my vehicle. So if y'all see me in my vehicle at lunchtime or in the morning, you'll see me showing my cups sometimes. And it has like a lot of sayings on it that I say. And it also has me with my pom-poms. So I didn't know she was going to make that. That definitely, I was thankful for her for that. But she also made me a t-shirt. And her and I worked together. And if you have ever worked with me, Big Daddy Beer Gaming, you know I can be a little picky. I am not anal. I just like things a certain way, a certain look, right? That suits me. You know, what suits me may not suit you. So we were going back and forth, and I was like, oh, I like this. I want this picture. I want my picture. I want my cousin's picture. No, take that one off. Add this one. You know, add some green hearts and add the words and things of that nature. And we actually came to a conclusion where I love the shirt that she made for me. And the shirt said, I have a cousin. Right, let me take that back. I got a cousin. I got a cousin, y'all. I'm going to insert that here also. And Loveable Creations made that shirt for me. And she took her time with me because she knew that that was going to be a special moment in my life. So Loveable Creations, Shonda, you will always be a special part of my life because you made me meeting my cousin in person that much more special. Shut up, Me and I. I'm not going to cry. I'm just emotional. And Me and I also, you know, I love y'all definitely. And everybody in the YouTube community, thank you all for accepting my cousin as your cousin, which we really know it's my cousin. My cousin is your cousin and your cousin. No, it's my cousin, okay? So, but you guys accepted her on the YouTube cruise, and I'm so thankful. I'm so grateful. Everyone that was on the cruise, keeping up with the Griffins, cooking with the Catrons, Trap Vision and Mika, Kayla Marr. It's so many great people that we met on that cruise. And you all are family, you know. Rod, we're all family now. It's different now. Hashtag it's different now. Yeah, I'm going to cry, but it really is. It touched my heart, and I'm so thankful for that part. I'll never forget that. You know, you guys will always be a special part of my life, even if I don't see you every day or don't come to your channel every day. Know that you are in my heart. And Loveable, you really made that special moment in my life more special. I thank you for making that shirt for me. I absolutely love it. My cousin loved it, and I got to surprise her with it. I'm sorry, y'all. Ooh, baby, I wasn't gonna cry, but I surprised her with it, and it really was beautiful. So I thank you, Loveable and Meet and I. So this is from Loveable Creations. I actually saw her making it. If you guys don't know her, please follow her on Instagram. She makes crafts and things of that nature. I want to make sure I'm being careful. And she was making this. And I saw it and I said, that's beautiful. How much is it? I want it. And she said, oh, Vern, I'm going to send you something. And she sent it to me. Now, I know it's a plaque, but I forgot what it looked like. But I know I loved it when I saw it. So I'm going to be super surprised. And this is from January 22nd of 2024. I have several packages. I will be reading the dates of them. Don't judge me. But I also want to say that Loveable Creations is part of my Booski compound. She's part of my community. She's part of my IG Booski compound. And I got my YouTube Booski compound. But we all Booskis, right? And you guys know that I do a lot of prayer in the morning and in the afternoon on YouTube and Instagram. Loveable Creations happened to be in my live one day, and you know, God just gave me a word to just tell people, you know, that some of you guys are going to be working with celebrities. And the day that I got ready to say it again, I think I said it like 3 or 4 times, but this last time I was like, there's going to be 2 people. So Crystal, Shout Crystal, actually came on and said, Vern, you said we were going to be working with celebrities. And she did. She worked with Wesley Snipes. Loveable Creations worked with Tiana Taylor. And Tiana Taylor actually had her mug in her hand. You can go back on her channel and watch it, or I'll try to link that video. I don't know if I can link an Instagram video here, but it is on Instagram. And if you want to see it, just DM me and I'll send it to you directly. But God is real, y'all. If God has made a way for me to meet my only bloodline cousin, God can do it for you. And not only that, but the kingdom connections that come through it. Loveable, me and I, all the YouTubers, you know, my cousin. I hope y'all know that, you know, if you ask in prayer and you believe, you will receive. You believe for it, it will happen. I always wanted to meet an only cousin, and anybody in my family, and I met my only bloodline cousin at that time. Now I have 2, y'all. I have another cousin, Angela. I love you too. So it is absolutely, God is real. Okay, let's get to opening the package. Whew. Hey, y'all. Okay, I gotta be careful opening this. Let's see. Let me open it this way. We're going to cut it. We're going to see what it is right here together. Ooh, hold on, y'all. Okay, if you haven't gotten your tissues and wiped your eyes by now, go ahead and Meet and I. Please be quiet, because I can hear y'all in my ear. 3, 2, 1, and cry. I know that's what you're saying. So, look, don't judge me, okay? All right, y'all. We're almost opening it. It's almost open. Wow, she wrapped this really, really well. Okay, so we're taking it out of here. We got one more. Ooh, here we go. Ah, first of all, she has a note that says thank you. And it has what she does, t-shirts, key tags, water bottles, keychains, tote bags, Loveable Creations 123. Jack Mason jar and tumbler. I think that's what it says. Or sock. I think it says Jack. Loveable Creations 123. Follow her on Instagram, y'all. Follow her on Instagram. Wow. I am black every month. But this month, I am blackity black, black, black. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. Thank you, Loveable. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? So for Black History Month, look at this. And I'm actually going to put this video in my Black History Month playlist where I have interviewed a lot of black entrepreneurs. I have interviewed Keeping Up with the Griffins. I have interviewed my girl from Instagram, Jamaica. And it has just been so amazing. Like, this 2024, we kicking in the door, baby. God has been blessing with speaking engagements, with meeting great people, being on podcasts, magazines. Like, yo, Kingdom Connection. So if you are connected to me, God's going to bless you because I pray for you. If you're sick, if you're going through something, whatever it is, pray and believe that God is going to bring you through it. So I think if you guys have not seen my 3 trophies from the Meet and I YouTube Awards, they right here, baby. They always right there. You going to see them. So now I will be putting my blackity black, black, black. I'm going to find somewhere to put it. I'm probably going to put it here. Moody's Candles. And I'm going to put it here so y'all can see it. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm going to put it down here for now because I don't want it to break. But Loveable Creations, I love you so much. I don't want to cry again. You have a very, very special place in my heart. Like, you really made that moment in my life super special, just as much as me and I and all the creators meeting my cousin. So everyone that had a hand in it, everyone that was part of the journey, Sharon and Mike and Lisa and not keeping up. Oh my goodness, y'all know it's a lot of names. I'm trying to remember everybody. Why I can't think of their name. You know who you are. You was working on the when we were in Miami. Why I can't think of her name? I want to say the control, but then it's not the. I just had the name on the tip of my tongue. Sorry, y'all. I'll put it here. Y'all know who I'm talking about. But it's just a lot of people that was on the cruise. I'm sorry that I cannot remember everybody, but you know who you are. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm not forgetting your name on purpose. I'm just trying. I'm just so excited in my heart. And Pastor Kim and the Parkers. That's who it was, the Parkers. I'm like, I can't say the name. The Parkers, Love at First Sight, Etta, her sister. We were on the airplane together. Oh my God, it was just so many great people. And I thank you guys for being a part of my journey. Whatever part you play in it, know that I appreciate you. Really. I'm trying to find pom-poms while I'm talking to y'all. I really super appreciate you all for the calls, for the crying, for the prayers. Some of you know I lost my mother-in-law in August of last year. It's a lot of things, right? Life happens, right? Life be lifing. But good things have happened. I've gotten on my second airplane. We went on the cruise. I've had more speaking engagements, and it's just been amazing. So 2022, amazing. 2023, amazing. 2024, amazing. And you have to look at life in that positive light. So I thank you all that have been part of my journey in whatever part you played. I thank you, Loveable. I thank you, Me and I thank you, Sharon. You know you my sister. I thank you, Adrian. I love you so much, cousin. I love you so much. So, okay, I'm gonna stop because I'm really gonna be a blubbering fool. I love y'all. I hope y'all are enjoying this March madness of my unboxings and reviews and opening of these gifts. I love y'all. Be kind to one another. And you know what I'm going to say. Go out there and spread love and spread light. Bye, y'all.
Ain't got time to blow it, nah. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtain. Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain.